I want to bring in a name who has been known for many years on Wall Street, Ralph Acampora, Director of Technical Research at Altaria. Ralph, we've had so many concurrent headlines back forth today, but the markets have held on to gains. Let's spin it forward to the rest of this quarter and bring in the news about the Federal Reserve maybe halting its drawdown of the Federal Reserve balance sheet. What does that mean for stocks?
Well, I think the market is trying to tell us something, Liz, that the strength in the face of all of the negative news, whether it's China, whether it's the shutdown, the government shutdown, et cetera, the market's holding up well. And I think it's telling us that it wants to move higher.
It is moving higher at the moment. And you know, all this talk about a recession possibly coming. You know, I'm not an economist, but I don't see that with the data. I do see maybe globally a slowing down, but that doesn't necessarily mean a recession. Regardless of what happens, where would you be putting your money right now?
Well, I have to tell you, I was very impressed yesterday with the semiconductors because they were doing well. And then today with the bad earnings on Intel and the sell-off in Intel, the semis still continue to move higher. I'm talking about Texas Instruments, Advanced Micro Devices, Micron. I think if you're an investor, you might want to look at those stocks longer term. And
why are you calling them vacuum picks?
Well, I call the market a vacuum rally because if you remember the horrible decline that we had was a precipitous decline in late December. Sure. It was like stretching a rubber band. When you let the taut end go and get a snapback rally. In this case, they filled up that empty space. And now most technicians, including myself, are saying the market will probably run into supply right at current levels, which it has. But I have to tell you, I'm impressed. It's consolidating nicely the last couple of days. And today the Dow pops and makes another new recovery high.
How much longer?
There's one thing, never fight the tape.
Oh,
and I'll never fight it.
Oh, yeah. We got about 10 seconds. Does this long bull market still have room to run?
I think they're going to be in a wide trading range, not to sound like I'm hedging or anything, but I think at some point, yes, the market will slow down, and I think there is difficulty making all-time new highs, at least in the foreseeable future. So we go higher, we back off, we hold above the December lows. I think that's encouraging.